Welcome to Hampton Court. 200 years of history, 56 hectares, a thriving farm and a homestead with heart. Country lifestyle, income options. Crystal clear water flows down from the mountains and the land drinks it in. Permanent creeks, spring-fed dams, nearly 800 metres of river all to yourself. Even at the height of summer, it's still impossibly green. The homestead is shaded by mature trees and surrounded by established gardens, bright with colour. Views out over your land and up to the mountains. The patio area leads to deep verandas and on into the cool interior, with hardwood floors, high ceilings and quality renovations that have preserved its history. It has a warm and livable country vibe with style. At the southern end you'll find 2 bathrooms and 4 bedrooms, 3 of which open to the verandas. At the northern, another potentially self-contained large bedroom and bathroom. A separate 2-bedroom cottage sits nearby, perfect for guests, Airbnb income, or keeping the family close. The farm features good fencing, powered yards, a roofed cattle crush with scales, and a machinery shed. Currently running 40 breeders, this land has raised pigs, grown corn and potatoes, and more. A 200-year track record of productivity. The river is more than a water source. It's a place to swim or fish, a reason to stop work early on a hot afternoon. Bellingen is 15 minutes away. Cafes, culture, community. Dorigo is 15 minutes up the hill, with national parks and waterfall walks closer still. Hampton Court. Productive land, permanent water, and a homestead with heart. Ready for its next chapter.